USDT has depegged, and there's a lot of people that are very worried on this. I'm going to go over that. Plus, I'm going to go over what not a lot of people are saying about the rate pause by Jerome Powell. So, as always, check me out on Twitter at SirCryptoTips if you want to get my daily thoughts on what's happening in the market. Plus, check us down for our CT Club, where we get to know what our portfolio looks like and what coins we have been accumulating. Okay, so let's go over to Blockworks. They say USDT selling sets off alarm bells as Curve Uniswap pools flooded with USDT. Okay, so who's dumping USDT and why are they so keen to get rid of their USDT? Now, Tether CTO went out. He responds to the USDT FUD saying, at Tether, we're ready as always. Let them come. We're ready to redeem any amount. And so that's a bit different than somebody saying, don't worry, guys. It's okay. Relax. We got all of our funds like FTX and other people. This seems a little more confident. From me being in this space for over a decade now, like what I've seen the Tether FUD over and over and over again. And it's always the worst thing ever. Last year, I was in the airport watching the Tether FUD going crazy. It depegged a little bit. These things happen all the time, and Tether is still here. It is the oldest stablecoin out there, and it is continually the most popular one. But if you are part of our CT Club, I like to sleep at night, so what I did was I transferred my USDT over to USDC, just temporarily, because USDC is actually partly owned by BlackRock. So yeah, they're not going to run out of money, and yeah, I'm not too worried about what is happening right now, and neither are a lot of other people, but still, it's good to take precautionary measures. And also, our portfolio of stable coins is around like 5 to 7%. So yeah, it's just to buy the dips whenever they are happening, especially now. Let's move on. Okay, let's move on to the rate hikes. So here we go. Fed Jerome Powell says, not a single person on the committee wrote down a rate cut this year, nor do I think it is likely. So yeah, he doesn't think there's going to be a rate cut, but he's very... he doesn't know what's going to happen, and you can kind of tell with his demeanor. Now, here's what not a lot of people are saying. I really like this guy from Northman Trader on Twitter. He says, it's a bit of a tweet, all right? So he says, there's no such thing as a hawkish pause. This is just PR drivel. If you're hawkish, act hawkish. Dots on a plot mean nothing, especially when you then come out 30 minutes later and say that you have no idea where rates will be and have no confidence in rate forecasts. By skipping, they try to avoid more bank stress, as things are actually much shakier under the surface than they would ever admit, and hawkish statements is trying to preserve credibility. It was a political exercise with absolutely zero commitment to actually act on it. So yes, this is meaningless what came out of the Federal Reserve Chairman's mouth. And if you've been following this blog for a while, you know that I've pointed out how much interest every time the Federal Reserve does raise interest rates, how much more interest is going to be tapped onto that bill, which means more and more currency printing. Yes, that's the name of the game, and there's no stopping the currency printing. That's why I'm actually still bullish on Bitcoin. I'm going to continue to be bullish until they stop currency printing, which they will never do. And lastly, please take your coins off exchanges. Come on, guys. We don't want what happened back with FTX to happen again, and you guys getting caught off guard. So anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.